Now, my dear students, we are going to read the lesson. The name of our lesson is Sources of Water, that is on page number 17. Everyone, pay attention. Water is an important part of our lives. We cannot live without water. So, my dear students, can we live without water? No, we cannot live without water. Plants, birds, and animals also need water to live. We need water for our daily use. We need it for drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, and cleaning. Now, my dear students, look at the pictures given in the textbook. You can see even animals need water, even birds need water to drink. You can see water is very useful. Look at the pictures given in the textbook. We need water for bathing, cleaning, cooking, washing, and drinking. Next page, page number 18. Water is also used to produce electricity. The farmers also need water to plow the fields. We get water from the rain. Rainwater fills up the lakes and rivers. We get drinking water from streams, lakes, ponds, or from under the ground through wells and tube wells. This water is stored in tanks and reservoirs. So, my dear students, look at the pictures given. You can see streams, ponds, rivers are there, lake, wells, tank, tube wells, and reservoirs. Next, page number 19. Do you know when it is very hot, the heat dries up the rivers and lakes. The water goes up in the sky as water vapor. These drops of water from clouds. This water from the clouds comes down as a rain. Rainwater goes deep into the ground. We dig wells at proper places to get this water. Too much of rain leads to floods. It carries away houses, crops, and animals. Dams and forests help us to control floods. Too little rain leads to drought. During this period, there is a shortage of water. As in some cities, we too get our water supply from lakes. Water is stored in a place, collect a reserve from where it is carried to different places through water pipes. It finally reaches our homes and comes out through our water taps. Water purification. Water comes to our homes from several sources. This water may be impure. Treatment of water is therefore necessary. The water stored in tanks and reserves is filled and disinfected to make it germs free and pure before it reaches our homes. So, my dear students, now we are going to start with the revision. So, first we are going to see which are the dictation words. Now, look at the picture. The first word, rainwater. Second word, drinking. Third one, drought. Next, produce. Fifth one, filtered. Sixth one, lakes. Seventh word, dam. Eighth word, floods. Ninth, shortage. And the last one is electricity. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash is an important part of our life. Second one, dash goes deep into the ground. Dash goes deep into the ground. Question number 2, true or false? First one, we get water from the rain. True या false? We get water from the rain. Second one, treatment of water is necessary. Treatment of water is necessary. And third one, we need water for monthly use. We need water for monthly use. True or false? Question number 3. Cross out the wrong word and tick the correct word. First one, the water goes in the dash, pond या sky. The water goes in the dash, pond या sky. Whichever correct one you're going to put tick, and whichever the wrong answer you're going to put a cross mark. Second one, water comes to our homes या table from several sources. Water comes to our dash, homes या table from several sources. Third one, we dig dash, sea या wells. We dig dash, sea या wells at proper place to get water. Question number 4. Name the following. First one, 2 uses of water. What are the 2 uses of water? You're going to write the answer. Second one, 2 sources of water. Which are the 2 sources of water? You're going to write the answer. Question number 5. Answer in one word. First one, what is water used to produce? First question, what is water used to produce? So my dear students, you all are going to write the answer. Second one, who need water to plow the field? Who need water to plow the field? And third one, what fills the lakes and rivers? What fills the lakes and rivers? Question number 6. Answer the following. First one, who needs water to live? Who needs water to live? Second one, how does dams and forests help us? How does dams and forests help us? And third one, why is treatment of water necessary? Why is treatment of water necessary? And the last question, question number 7, match the following. So my dear students, you can see 2 columns, that is A and B. A are the questions given and B are the answers which you are going to write. So the first one from the A column, we cannot live. Second one from the A column, too much of rain. Too much of rain. And the third one, drinking water. And the fourth one, too little rain. So these are the question, and now we are going to see the answers, that is from column number B. The column number B, first one A, free from germs. B1 leads to drought. And C1 without water. And D leads to flood. So the first answer will be without water. Too much of rain leads to flood. Second answer is leads to flood. Third one, drinking water, and the answer is free from germs. And fourth one, too little rain, answer is leads to drought.